The first step to heat press CAD-CUT Glitter Flake heat transfer vinyl is to load the garment onto the press, ensuring that your print area is completely flat. Once that's completed, we're able to set up the temperature and the time accordingly for the application. I'm applying to a natural fabric, a cotton garment, and so that application requires 302 degrees for 10 to 12 seconds. This is programmed on the machine, and now I'm going to program my preheat time as well to make sure the garment is prepared for the application with the moisture removed. Next, I want to adjust my pressure. The pressure adjustment is over the center on this Hotronix machine, and we have a pressure indicator on the control board. Glitter Flake requires a medium pressure, so I'll lock the press down, and it should be between a 4 and a 6 on our digital pressure display. Right now I'm at a 6. I'm going to retract it just a little bit to get closer to a 5, because when I add the thickness of the Glitter Flake transfer, it may pop back up to a 6. During that process, I've went ahead and preheated my garment. Now I can take my Glitter Flake transfer, position it into place, cover it with a cover sheet, and complete the application. Again, 10 seconds is all it needs at that medium pressure, and it's a hot peel, which means I'll remove the carrier from it immediately after the press opens. Move the cover sheet, grab the corner, and peel away to reveal your completed result.